In this video, I'll show you how to get free promo code in OneXpert. This is very easy. Subscribe to this channel for more important videos like this. If you are looking for a free promo code in OneXpert, this is exactly what you should do. Follow attentively. The first thing is to register your account. When you register your account, come over here and click on by email. This is the only option that is going to allow you to use a promo code and activate it. If you use any other option, a promo code is not going to work. So fill in your surname, your name, your country, your date of birth, your currency, and your email address. Please use an email address that is active. Now, once that's done, you're going to create a password using these four requirements. Once you've created your password in the promo code box, this is the free promo code you should use. The promo code is Leo TV. If you use promo code Leo TV, OneXpert is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit any amount, let's say 1,000, you're going to receive 3,000 as bonus, which you can go ahead and use it after you activate it. So when that is done, fill in these three boxes and then register your account. If all the details are correctly, complete your first deposit and your promo code, your free promo code is going to be activated. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find this video helpful.